Fish and chips. The dish originated in England and is very popular there, consisting of fried fish in a crispy batter which is served along with chips. This fish and chips recipe is crunchy from outside and the fish is so flaky that you will love it. Hey everyone, it's Yoshi from Hello Show and today we are making fish and chips. But first, do you notice anything new? It's my chopping board. Anyway, starting with the recipe, we need to prepare for the fries first and try to take big potatoes for this recipe. A long fry always looks appealing. Okay, here we won't peel the potatoes first. The peeling part will be done later in the process. For now, just take a fork and punch all along the skin of the potatoes. This will help the potato soak all the salt from the water while we boil it. Here in a big pan, take water and add in salt. Remember, this is the only step where you will be adding salt before seasoning it finally at last. Now we'll add in the potatoes and leave it to boil. There is an alternative way to prepare your potatoes. It is to pressure cook it up to 2 whistles and the rest everything remains same. Now while it's boiling, let's come look at the fish. Today I'll be using a basa fillet. Commonly cod is used for this recipe there in Britain, but if you are in any region where those fishes are not commonly sourced, any local fish works provided it's a white fish and is boneless. In India, basa or sea bass is common, or which in Bengal we call it bhetki. After patting the fillet dry, here I am cutting it into 3 equal pieces because there are 3 members in my family. Scaling and proportion is totally up to you, so go just as you please. Since this recipe has mild flavors, in the marinade there is nothing extraordinary but just salt and pepper and some vinegar. Vinegar helps to reduce the stinkiness from the fish, so don't forget to add it. This element will also help make the fish tender and flaky. Let the fish rest for some time. Till then, let's go and take a look at our potatoes. When you feel that it's easy to prick with a fork, it's done. Take it out in a separate bowl and peel off the skin from the potatoes. Cut the potatoes in such a way. This pattern will help you get wedges like this and sticks like this as well. Here I am dusting the potatoes with some cornstarch. This will help you get a crispy skin. And do not add any salt at this point. Adding salt before will make your fries soggy, and that is the last thing which you want. And that is the tip of your day. Seasoning should always be done at last for any kind of fries. Now let this rest in your fridge for an hour or so. Until then we'll make the batter for our fish. Unlike other fish fry recipes which uses breadcrumbs, this recipe only focuses on using a batter. It's pretty simple to make and only takes in 4 to 5 ingredients. First, in a mixing bowl, add some all-purpose flour and slowly keep mixing in the water. Mix it until you get a thickness like this. Add in your baking soda and leave the vinegar for later in the process. We'll add that just before we fry our fish. Add in some chilli flakes for the heat and set it aside. Meanwhile, take out the potatoes from your fridge and it's time to fry. I have already added a little piece of potato to know when my oil is ready. It is bubbling, which means that the oil is ready to use. Add in your fries one by one and let the time work its magic. When it's golden brown like this, take it out in a separate bowl. Now your fries are ready and it's time for the final seasoning. Here I'm adding my all seasoning mix. I'll add the recipe of my spice mix in the description box. You can go and check it later. Set aside your fries and now it's time for the fishies. Remember when I told you that we'll add the vinegar later on in the process? Well, now it's time. In the batter, add some vinegar and see how your batter fluffs up. This step will make your fries crunchy and fluffy. Now at this point there's not much to do but just dip the fishes in the batter and fry them till golden brown. When your fries are done, garnish them with anything of your choice. I have some parsley leaves with me. You can just finish off with adding some salt and pepper and it will taste as heavenly as anything else. Try this recipe out this weekend and let me know. I hope you loved the video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. Click on the red button, press the bell icon. It will mean so much to me knowing that you are helping me build a future of my dreams. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.